Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to book an Uber for someone else. Whether you're arranging a ride for a family member, friend, or colleague, this feature makes it incredibly convenient to help others get where they need to go without them having to use the app themselves. First, open your web browser and navigate to m.uber.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account with your credentials. This will bring you to the main Uber interface where you can start setting up the ride. Now look at the left panel of your screen. This is where you'll begin entering the ride details. Start by typing in the pickup location. This should be the address or location where your rider will be picked up. Make sure to enter it accurately so the driver knows exactly where to go. Next, you'll need to enter the drop-off location in the field below. This is the destination where you want the person to be taken. Again, precision here is important to ensure a smooth ride experience. Once both locations are set, you'll see a button labeled Pickup Now. Click on this button. This is where you'll be able to schedule the ride for a specific time rather than requesting it immediately, which is perfect when you're planning ahead for someone else. After clicking Pickup Now, navigate to the Pickup At section. You'll see an option that says Today. Click on Today and a calendar will appear on your screen. Use this calendar to select the date when you want the ride to take place. This flexibility allows you to book rides well in advance. Now click on the Now button. This will open up a time selection menu where you can choose your preferred pickup time. Scroll through and select the exact time you want the driver to arrive at the pickup location. Once you've set the date and time, click Next to proceed. This confirms your scheduling preferences and takes you to the next crucial step. In the left panel, you'll see an option that says For Me. Click on this and then select Order Ride for Someone Else from the drop-down menu. This is the key step that allows you to designate a different person as the rider. A new set of fields will appear. In the first text field, enter the rider's first and last name. This helps both the driver and the rider identify each other when the pickup happens. Below that, you'll need to enter the phone number of the person you're booking the ride for. This is important because Uber will send ride details and updates directly to their phone, keeping them informed every step of the way. Finally, click Add Rider to complete the process. This saves all the information you've entered and finalizes the booking setup. And that's it. You've successfully set up an Uber ride for someone else, giving them a convenient and reliable way to get to their destination. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.